Hello, this is Chris with Kunze Analytics. Thanks for watching this video. Today I'd like to give a quick demonstration of how an interactive predictive scorecard can be useful in training, managing, and coaching incumbents, particularly service and salespeople. In this scorecard, which combines assessment data from 4 different assessments, 23 different dimensions are being measured by this combination of assessments. And then we have a key for what the numbers mean, and 15 different key performance indicators. Some are screening hurdles to get into the position. Others have to do with training, performance, different elements of the training. And we then have some very powerful predictive algorithms behind each of these cells, which actually predict whether someone will pass or fail, whether someone will be proficient or not, if they'll pass at a high level, a medium level, if they'll withdraw, be terminated, and their percent on a performance score. So you can see the model then goes and uses a type of ensemble crowdsourced methodology to overcome small samples. It's called regression boosting. And then we have very, very accurate for the training set. Each one of these models is explaining over 90% of variability in the metric of interest. So for this individual who's been hired and in this position, we see the different scores of percentiles on each of the 23 dimensions that the assessments have measured. So if we look at dimension number 4, which is at the 54th percentile, and we increase it by several percentage points, we see now that this candidate would have difficulty with training element number 5. If we go to the final dimension, dimension number 23, and that were to be decreased, we see that this would affect 2 different key performance indicators, the screening hurdle number 3 and the training hurdle number 4. And then finally, for this individual being coached by a manager, we see that in dimensions number 16, if we were to increase that slightly, we have difficulty with training element number 4. And then also dimension 16, if that were to increase even more, now we see we have multiple difficulties. So this is how a training manager can anticipate issues with performance looking across different dimensions that are measured by psychometric testing in an elaborate system whereby one needs to keep all the balls in the air and help the individual to get through training, be productive, and anticipate and know what's important related to their unique personality. So this is Chris with Kunze Analytics. Thanks for watching this video, and make it a great day.